The 5W2H tool is an administrative checklist of activities, deadlines, and responsibilities that must be clearly and efficiency by everyone involved in a project. Its function is to define what will be done, why, where, who will do it, when it will be done, how and how much it, bringing a lot of objectivity to the execution of the action of your company that seeks to grow in a healthy and accelerated way. This is the dashboard of our 5W2H action plan. Right at the top we have 3 buttons for navigation as registrations, action plan, and reports. However, how to use them will be in the next video. On the side we have a simple filter for action plan and year. Besides the refresh button, the filters will serve to choose a specific action plan to analyze the data and the year to be analyzed. The refresh button you must press so that the status of activities are updated based on your computer state. If you want an automatic update to be done when you open the worksheet, just leave this option marked as yes. You can also access our website by clicking on our logo, or watch the video presentation of this worksheet to ask questions. Below we have the cards and charts relating to the data entered by the user. In the general report is informed the number of employees registered, the areas registered, the action plans planned, how many were completed, and the percent of completion of the 5W, and the tasks planned and completed, referring to the 2H. Beside a chart shows the monitoring of the months of the selected year related to the plan and completed tasks. Further down, a monthly chart also from the selected year regarding the plan expenses based on the date of the tasks being completed, and finally a specific card where you select an action plan. Here you will receive all information regarding that plan, such as start date, area of the company where it operates, number of tasks, expenses, and the number of tasks in each status, those in progress, overdue, completed, and completed with delay. Here in the dashboard we will click on registration. It will open this new tab, and here on the left I can access the 2 types of registration. First, click on areas of the company, and it will open this form, bringing the areas of the company already registered at the bottom. If you want a new record, just mark the new option. The ID is brought automatically, and then just type the name of the area and click save. The new record will already appear with the others, and if you wanted to edit or delete a record, simply select it, and to edit I change the name field, and click save. If you want to delete, simply after selecting it click on the delete button. I also have access to the database through here, and have access to the list of registrations made. I will now go back to registration to perform an employee registration. Clicking on employee will open a different form from areas, but works the same way. To create a new record, just select the option new, and then fill in the fields and click save. The registered employees are brought automatically to the bottom, and if you want to change or delete, just do as before, select, and after changing the data click save. To delete, use the delete button. Besides these predefined registration fields, there is also the field of extras, for the user to add what you want. For this, come to the database. In the fields change here, just put something you want to know the employee, that when you return to the register, in the extras tab, you will have what you changed as a registration field. To make the action plans for the company, here in the dashboard I will click on action plans. I have the option to register the plans in the 5W and the tasks in the 2H. Clicking on 5W will open this form. I will mark the option again